Korea is gearing up to start COVID-19 vaccinations next month, with the first batch of vaccines expected to arrive in the country in the coming weeks. The first shipment of Pfizer vaccines for 50,000 people is likely to arrive in early February. Health authorities said Thursday it will be the first batch of doses for 10 million people Korea has secured through COVAX. The global initiative for coronavirus vaccine development and distribution. As the government speeds up its plans to start inoculations, which were initially scheduled for late February. All eyes are on whether vaccine injections will be available ahead of Lunar New Year holiday starting February 11. The government has divided the vaccination program into several steps, each managed by related governmental bodies. Once the vaccines win approval from the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety, they will be delivered into the country by the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport. The Defense Ministry will manage storage and distribution to 250 vaccination centers across the country, which the Ministry of Interior and Safety is currently preparing in cooperation with local government. Interior Ministry plan to install one vaccination site per city, country and district and two more in each region, with a population of more than 500,000. Considering that about 600 people are estimated to visit the centers every day, the venues must be well ventilated and wide enough to maintain social distancing. The facilities also need to be equipped with their own power generator in order to safely store the vaccines. Cold chain systems must be established not only for logistics, but also at each vaccination center. Pfizer's RNA vaccine can be the trickiest to handle as it needs to be stored at minus 70 degrees Celsius. Moderna's and Janssen's vaccine need to be stored at minus 20 degrees Celsius. The Interior Ministry is currently reviewing 150 facilities as possible candidates to be used as a vaccination center. Currently we have 93 gyms, 30 movie theaters, 20 medical institutions, 10 parks, and 5 government centers on our list of candidates. After further discussions with the Korean Disease Control and Prevention Agency, we will announce the detailed list only next week, said Park Jong-hyun, the deputy spokesman at the ministry during a briefing held on Thursday. Meanwhile, according to KDSCA, Korea reported 346 daily new coronavirus cases on Thursday, including 3,315 local transmissions, raising the total caseload to 74,262.